What about event design? Event design means, in short, designing event experiences, services and operations for our event customers. Yeah. Ultimately, this means defining steps or parts of our live event we need to prepare, implement and deliver next. While it makes sense to think big, it makes no sense to plan big. It's more productive to plan small. In other words, plan details for 3 reasons. It's easier to do. It's the way to kill the devils from the details, and it's easier to adjust, replan and remove. This is how I do it in practice. First, break my event into smaller pieces. The best way to do this is split event plan by customer groups. For 2 reasons. We deliver our event for customers. We are not running events for the enjoy of logistics, security, technical production, or any functions whatsoever. Exceeding customers' expectations takes place all along the customer's event journey. It's easier to find right spots and tools to do this by jumping into their shoes. For example, if I'm planning a sports event, I might split my event planning for segments like teams, officials, media, event staff, broadcasting, spectators, hospitality guests, staff and volunteers, and partners. Instead of planning everything, let's just plan something at a time. After setting frameworks for planning, it's time to break these smaller pieces as well. A good way to do this is drawing and thinking customer event journeys. Write down different stages of this event journey from the moment you want to impact your customer's experience yourself until you are done with them. These stages are like mini events within your main event. For example, with spectators in sports events, these might be stages like arriving in the city, entering the venue, entering the grandstands, enjoying sports, eating and drinking, using spectator services. With each stage, I think and write a line or two of the following topics: description of stage, key insights, target outcome, responsible person, budget, and some notes and files. But I want to go even deeper in my designing. When I'm happy with the stages, I want to deliver to customers. Yes, I break these one more time for smaller touch points, actions, experiences, services, operations, for finding the optimal content for a stage in question related to my target outcome. I call these steps. For example, with an example stage of arriving in the park and ride area, I would split that to steps according to visitors' flow, like finding a parking area, enter parking area, follow guiding to my parking lot, park car, purchase parking ticket via mobile, find your way to shuttle bus, call the toilet, buy refreshments, drinks, get the shuttle bus, pick up area, queue for your bus, get on board, ride to the venue by bus, use probably event app while in shuttle bus, and move forward to the next steps. This is in all simplicity a way to make a difference. Instead of making a plan for park and ride area, we plan all details including that one by one. And we include in each of these steps something extraordinary to boost customers' experience during customers' flow in a specific stage. Try approaching every single detail with same tactics. Smile in, smile out. With each step I again think and write a line or two of the following topics: description of the step, customer insights, target outcome, things to do, responsible people, production budget, and some random notes and files. Proceeding with the event design like this, I have detailed action plan for each customer segment, including stages and steps we like to provide in our event. Some pros of this approach includes easiness to remove or adjust details within our event plan, and eventually a powerful tool for delegating and communicating plans for others. And get back to these at any point during